How to change font style or default font on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. By default, you can see the change the font style on your Samsung device. If you want to change the font style or download font on your Samsung S25 Ultra, go to the display on your device. Scroll down. Here you can find the font size and style option on your device. Tap on it. Now here you can see the font style, bold font like this, or increase or decrease the font size. To change the font style or default font, tap on it. Here you can select Samsung one, so you can see how it looks. This is the Samsung one. Here you can see the preview. This is the Gothic bold. This is the Roboto. So this is the all by default available font style on your device. If you want to set a custom font or download it, tap on the download fonts option. Make sure log in with your account on your device. Here we not log in, so we can't find the style. When you log in your Samsung store, you can find the different font style. You need to just download it and set as the default font style on Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.